American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You call or text Anthony at 954-706-0081. We're going to do a demonstration on our 2011 Ford F-550. It is a 42-foot Altec telescopic and articulating bucket truck. It's got a V10 6.8 liter, 152,000 miles, 4x4, fleet maintained, ice cold AC. Truck just came off of service. It's ready to go to work. On this unit, we do offer financing, shipping, and export. You can give me a call at 954-706-0081 for more details. We're going to go ahead and start her up and then do the boom demonstration as well. We're located about 10 minutes south of Fort Lauderdale International Airport. If you like to fly in and drive her home, that is a possibility. We do offer temp tags for 30 days, out-of-state buyers and in-state buyers. It's a very windy day here today. Get the miles to show. Go ahead and put in 4x4. It's 4x4 high. 4x4 low. Back to two-wheel drive. Now we'll do the boom demonstration.